Okay, thank you once again for always following this channel, and for some who have been following the last videos or the last clip, say if those are the interesting things for you. And for today, I've just come to just talk about something about the Microsoft Office Word. Yes. And how would you like use the Microsoft Office Word, and how you have to operate within the with the features inside it. So today, possibly, we are going to look at that. And before, I could define for you, like, Microsoft Office Word is just, yeah, is a processing application which allows the users to create, edit, format, and share documents such as letters, report, resumes, and many more. So with this Microsoft Word document, it offers, okay, it offers many tools for text formatting. You can insert certain things, like example, you can insert your images and tables. You can also check for some spelling and grammars, because you might have tapped some, you have text certain things and the letters are not matching, or the grammars are not the way it is supposed to be. So it produces an autocorrect. So it's there to help you. This Microsoft Office will help you a lot, either in the education line, business, or even for your personal use, like for making your notes. You can even draw your timetable on your what? On your computer using a Microsoft Office Word. Because with this Microsoft Office Word, it's the one of the software that is always installed in your personal computer for use. So some of the roles or the use of this Microsoft Office Word, I've even mentioned that it helps you in creating your professional documents, improving your communication skills, even helps you collaborate with others effectively. And yes, it also helps you like to present your work, makes your work, when you present your work on using this software, it makes your work so clear, and also improves on on your working efficiency in both academic and professional environments that you are entitled. So that is why when we see, like, in most of the tertiary institutions or even in the universities, they highly recommend the students that are going for study or further study to always have their personal computer, because when you have a computer, it will ease your work. So that is the beauty of knowing how to use a computer, because it will help you a lot. So let me go and show you how you can use or access your Microsoft Office Word, and maybe when you have tapped, and how would you like to save your documents. Yes, so let us go and look for it. So for this instance, uh, you can go to your PC. You check on the start button, so that you go and access those. Like here, we are seeing the document is there, saying the new document. So you can click in and you will open it. But in this PC, it depends on the number of the computer or the type of computer you are using. Like for this one, we see I've tapped in the start button. So the applications are limited there. So in this case, when your computer is like this, you go in this way, you right click, you go there, you check, you go to new. So after new, you will check on your you thing here, and you see here I'm seeing the Microsoft document Word. So you click on your Microsoft Word. So after clicking it, you see it brings you this empty document, this folder. Yes, we are saying it's a folder and it's a file. So when we are done with that, um, we go and open it. Yes, after opening, we see what will happen. So now you are running in your Microsoft Office Word, and in this case, we are going to see these features. The features are here. So we are going to export. Let's export some document was already existing. So that we see some of the features there. So here we are going to choose any from this. And for example, let's say this one. So this is what I'm saying, the Microsoft Office Word will help you perform and help you keep your documents safe, and at your free time you can access them like that. So you are going to see that this personal computer has a lot of features. You have the review file, the view tool, the tools are there, the format thing, you can paste your work, or you can bold to format. Yes, I'm using that word, format. So this is the beauty of using the Microsoft Office Word. So you can see it's very simple. Just simple thing to do. And for example, if you want to modify your work here, click, you highlight some of these. Yes, you see I've highlighted this. So you choose anything you want, any formatting feature you want to see. So you want to see the font color. So if you see, you just choose this. So you see the change, it has already occurred. You see, this is what I'm trying to make, that you have to format. So this is how you can access the file which has already been saved in your computer. Yes. So now let us go back. Let us go back and see how you can open your file. That is that if you want to create your own notes, you want to make your notes using this Microsoft Word. So you can go this way. You can follow me. This, you go to your words, to the new pen, and you assess which one are you going to use. Do you want to create it? Make sure not on the Microsoft Office Word. So if you want to make a PowerPoint presentation, there is an option being provided at the bar. So for example, you see here, you open it here for the words. So we have to open. So in this case, when you open, they bring you this file, so you have to rename. Either you have to not, you may decide not to rename, or you may remain, but it is advised to always rename your file, because it will help you to access it easily. And for this case, you want to make a note about, let's say you're going to make a note about biology, you see, and here is, yes, so here is how we make it. So we say we're going to look at, to make a note at the topic of the subject, about the subject biology. Yes. After making it, this is how it is. This is how you can make it. So after making your work here, after making your file, you go and open. No, wait. You go and open your file. You gonna open your file there, and here is how you are going to make your work. So which topic are you going to make your note about? So you're saying you're making a note in biology. Yes. And you want to make a note about the topic. Let's say cell, cell cytology. Yes. So these are how you format your work. So here you highlight, so you format to make it looking good. Yes. And you want to underline it's on your own, and again you would want to take to center line, you make it to, you want it to appear in the middle, so that is it. So, and you're going to look at this topic. Let's say you're going to format this, format this, then you're going to also make the topic not this. So you can see this operation we are making. So after, no, it's now just very easy for you because you're not just going to make your notes and say the definition. Yes, the definition of this, and you just say any word you want. Yes, that self cytology is the word. So you can make your note like that. So in this case, you have already made your work and you have formatted you have in the area of which you want. So if you want to save, because this one, you see it's already saved, you want to save your work, you come to file, you come and look for where it is written save as. Then after this, they bring you options. So do you want to save it in a desktop, or do you want to save it under document? So in this case, your work is already on the desktop, but you want to take it into document, so you can click document. So after clicking the document, it means afterwards, this document, this thing you have, this file you are working on, you will go and find it under document. But for this case, you want to make it under desktop. Yeah, you see. Then the file name is going to be, you choose what is the file name you want to say. You may say this is about the topic about biology. Yes, and with this afterwards, this is your file extension. Yes, this is your file extension now, of which in any further recovery, maybe you lost your work or what, you go to the recycle bin, you find the extension, you file extension, and you recover it from there. So in this case, you want to save, you just now save, you find it in your what, in your desktop. So let us go back and check whether it is there. So automatically, you see it is here. Yeah. So after that, let's see what your file is already on the desktop. So when you open, you'll find that it is already your original what, your original file. So this is your work, and your work is done. So it's just very simple. It's just a very simple task for you. And for you, the beginners, I say this thing is for you to start it and to start your work very easy, because in your workplace, you're already needed for it. You can use it at any time, access it at any time, and because it's a place you can even store your work and save your work in Google. So even if you are across, you have gone international across, you can access your work online. So I say thank you for following and for watching this video. Thank you so much. We meet again in the next post.